Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you are fine. So first of all, you have need to watch this. Is this single indicator magnet V5 is giving you accuracy of around 89%. Okay, and one more important very important thing, that in the yesterday I uploaded a video and I made a indicator, and unbelievable the people likes my indicator, and I receive around more than 250 messages from the peoples who are interested to buy my indicators. So watch this complete video, because in this video I am going to show you all details. Okay. This indicator is very important, and I will tell you how you can get a good result by using this indicator. Actually the indicator results is around 89%. And one more important thing, I am weak in English, so but I will try my best to give you all explanation, and hopefully at the end of the video, after getting this indicator, you will be able to get a lot of profit. Okay. Lot of people contact me on daily basis, and they are buying my indicators, and currently 4500,000 plus people are using my scripts. Okay, so this is the new indicator magnet V5 version 5. It's okay, and because version 1, version 2, version 3 and version 4 is not available, because there was lot of mistakes. So in this version I remove all the mistake, and now it's working perfectly. So let's start the video. And how let me add one more indicator. Here you have to watch it. This indicator magnet V5 is this one. Okay, and I have need to use simple logger 4.8, control A, control C, copy the all the my code. Then you have need to go to Pioneer editor. At the end of the video I will give you the details how you can contact me and how you can get this indicators, and lot of details we will discuss in this video. Okay, so do not miss any point. Control A, remove all the codes, then paste my code, and then click on add to chart. Okay, after adding the chart, the indicator will be look like this one. Okay, it's still loading, and it will be compiling because of 1050 lines of this indicator, so that's why it's taking a little time. So do not worry, it will be fine in few seconds. Come on, still. Okay, now I think it's done. We have need to change some setting in this indicator, like you can uncheck this one. 3 unfolding signal, we do not need this one. In this indicator I use all the things. Here even you can use MA source code, MA fast line and slow line. The MA fast line and slow line you can adjust it. This is the RSI. We have need to put 75 RSI. Okay, and this is a RSI ribbon. Okay, you can see this is actually a RSI ribbon. Okay, 100% non repeated. Okay, MA lines. Okay, if you need you can check the value, but recommended value is 250, but we do not need this thing right now. And uncheck this swing mode, and there are a lot of options here. There are a lot of options. Okay, so that's just we need the charts keep simple, and so it will be more effective. Now there is a band and RSI, and there are some buy and sell signal. The previous indicator, this one, is giving you the buy and sell signal. Okay, and the accuracy of this indicator is around 89%. Okay, we have need to add one more time, then we will you can see the accuracy. Let me add one more time indicator. Pine script here, magnet, control A, control C, copy my code, then go to the Pine editor again. Here you have need to control A, remove all my code, and control V, paste my new indicator code, and then click on add to chart. After clicking on add to chart, the indicator will be look like this one. Okay, here you can see 89.35, but I will show you. I put a lot of effort to make this indicator, and this indicator work on all time. The previous way algo, the previous algo was not working fine in the Indian market. Okay, but this work perfectly and nice on Indian market, stock, crypto, forex, in all pairs you can use it. Okay, and in the strategies, let me show you. These are the trades. This is the drawdown, and this is commodity profit, and this is the profit, and this is actually a simple profit. So you have need to watch it like here from this point, because this calculation is not so good, because it is just giving you uh, pips, or you can say its calculation is on different ways. So you have need to watch the video, then you will and then you will find how much profitable trades you are getting. Okay, so this is the summary, and this is the overview. You have need to watch this accuracy. This is very important one. Oh, and this one is profit factor, that one is important. And the last 141 trades you are getting 90% accuracy. Okay, so let's start the video. And the second indicator, I will hide this, and then I have need to add this indicator. This indicator will give you the band lines, the buy and sell signal, and the RSI. Okay, this indicator is actually a good one, like this one, RSI below from the lower band line, and you getting buy signal. So it give you profit like this one, good one, profitable. And now the RSI is coming below from the lower band line, and this is buy signal, so it's giving you again profit like previous one, this one. Okay, so this indicator is also good, but I am giving you details how you can get around 100% accuracy. So after adding this indicator, now the indicator will be look like this one. Okay, now here you can see you are getting sell signal, and the shadow is red. Simple. RSI is upside from, so this is your oversold condition, sell signal, and the trend is also identifying the red. So you can watch it, and you have need to book your profit when any candle touch to the lower band line. So this is your profit trade, this is your buy trade and profitable. This is the point where you can go for the buy trade, this candle, and you can see you got some good profit here. Okay, now this is the sell trade. You are not getting any sell signal. I'm talking about this sell signals. Okay, this one, not this one, I'm talking about this one. Okay, so you can see you are not getting sell signal here, so you do not need to go for the sell trade. And here you can see the buy signal and the shadow green one, so you can go for the buy trade, and you can see you got amazing profit here. Now from this point you can see you are getting sell signal, but the shadow is green, so do not need to go for the sell trade. You have need to wait for this shadow turn to the red one, then you have need to go for the sell trade. Okay, you can watch this. Accuracy is most awesome. Okay, let me show results in gold. In the gold, that was a buy sell trade. Amazing. You can see you got this sell signal and this sell signal, both sell signal. So RSI is upside from the upper band line, so you can see you got good profit. You have need to book your profit at this point. In the gold, in the 5-minute time frame, this is a live demo. Okay, and let me show you results in some other pair like bank nifty. Okay, let me show results in some okay, in the bank nifty, let me show you. It was actually very good, like this one. This one is a live demo example. Okay, this one actually a buy trade. Okay, because the shadow is green, So you can go for the buy trade. You got this both buy signal, and now from this point you can see sell signal, got both sell signal, and the shadow is now red. So you have need to go for the sell trade, and you have need to book your profit at this point when candle touch to the lower band line. Okay, and you can see the results of this indicator, buy trade and profitable. Okay, now from this point you can see you can go for the sell trade from this point actually, and you got the profit here. Okay, let me show you some more details. Okay, this was actually a good buy trade, and you can see accuracy is awesome. Now this one is sell trade, and you got the profit. This is the buy trade, and you can see results. Okay, I do not need to tell you all things are very crystal clear in your screen. Okay, this is the RSI, our board condition. You got to both say buy signal, and the shadow is green, so you need to go for the buy trade, and you have need to book your profit at this point. Okay, so now you can see the results in Bank Nifty as well, because it's worked perfectly on all pair. Okay, you can see, you can watch, the accuracy is awesome. So let's see the results in UK oil on Nasdaq. Like here you can see the buy trade. Okay, this was the most recent buy signal, and now is some good profit, and this is the sell signal, amazing profit. This was amazing. Okay, now this one is your buy trade, and you can see you got the profit here. Sell trade, amazing profit. Okay, now this one, if you need, you can go for the buy trade, but at this point you have need to watch it carefully. At this point you can see this one is green, so you can go for the buy trade, but the RSI is not even very close to the lower band line. So if you need, you can go for the buy trade, but I will recommend this confirmed signal, like when the RSI is upside from the upper band line, you are getting both buy signal and both sell signal. Okay, then you have need to go for the sell trade. Okay, so it's worked perfectly, and you can watch it. And this was UK oil. Let's see the results in Nasdaq. In the Nasdaq you can see, watch it carefully. Here if you need, you can go for the sell trade, but if you go for the sell trade from this point, then remember you have need to exit your trade. That is not a loss trade, that is your very small profit, a very small, maybe few cents profit. Okay, so that is actually a not a loss trade. Actually it's giving you maybe a few cents profit, but the point is you are getting some profit actually. Here you can see you can go for the sell trade, but you did not get the other sell signal. You can wait for other sell signal, or you can go for the sell trade. It's up to you, but I will recommend, if you got both by sell signal like this one and this one, and the shadow is red, then you need to go for the sell trade, and definitely it will give you the profit. Let me show results in some previous result. In the previous one, this one, you can see you are getting both buy signal, this one and this one. RSI is below from the lower band, so this is your perfectly buy trade, and if you need, you can exit the trade like here. It's give you huge profit. Okay, in the previous one, this one, you can see this is the sell signal, and it's give you profit here. So the purpose of my this video is to give you the detailed video. SPX, oh no, this one buy signal, but unfortunately you did not get this buy signal. Okay, if you got, you will get, definitely will, that will be our trade, but you did not get this buy signal here. In the previous one, you can see you can go for the sell trade, but you did not get this one. Here you got the signal, but from this point you are not getting the sell signal, so you can go for the sell trade because it's a very close to the upper band line, so you can go. So like, let me show you here, and let me show you results some other here. You can see from this point you getting sell signal, so you, if you need to, you can go for the sell trade, but when this red shade turn to green one, then you have need to exit your trade. Okay, and this white signal gives you amazing profit. This sell signal give you huge profit, like here you need to book your profit. This indicator is giving you more confirmation, and you can see you are getting good profit here. This buy signal giving you good profit here. Okay, now this sell signal giving you profit here. Okay, so let's see results in some forex pair as well. In the forex pair, that was the most recent sell signal. That was the most recent sell signal, and you can see you have need to book your profit at this point. Okay, the most recent signal, and you can see the accuracy is awesome. So this is the buy signal and it's give you profit. Okay, and this is the sell. If you can go for to the sell position, you have need to open your sell position from this point, and definitely it will give you maybe few cent profit. But the point is you are not getting some you are not getting loss actually. Okay, you are getting some profit, that's okay. But the point, if you got loss, then definitely is um, that is not a good. But if you are getting profit maybe just few seconds, and that is not a big deal, it's a good one. Okay, I think I gave you the all details, and I show you the results in some major pairs. And it because this indicator work on all pair like forex, crypto, all pair. This was the most recent sell signal. And when any candle touch to the lower band line, then you have you need to exit your trade. Okay, but you can watch it. It was the good signal, and now you are going some good profit now. Okay, in the previous buy signal it was amazing. If you go to the study tester, each and in each pair you will get the accuracy of around 87%, 80%. Like in UK oil, you are getting accuracy of nothing, it's not working. But this indicator is working fine. And in the bank nifty, and this result is not showing here, but the indicator is working fine. You can see indicator is working fine, and you can see the results. So in the GBP USD, let me show you study tester, and you are getting around 90% accuracy of this single indicator, magnet V5. Hopefully you will like my video, and now I have need to show you how you can contact me. And these are my contact details here. If you need my indicator, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number, or you can also contact me on my Telegram @simplehoga1. Write one at the end must. Okay, because there are some fake Telegram channel and scammers, so you have need to be aware and do not join fake Telegram channel. Just personal contact me. Okay, I do not have any WhatsApp groups or Telegram channels, so you have need to personal contact me on my Telegram @simplehoga1. Write one at the end must. Gmail simplehoga@gmail.com if you want to contact me on my Gmail. Okay, and this thanks once again thank you for your um, because in the last video lot of people contact me, and thanks for your good response, and I appreciate it. And hopefully you will enjoy the profit. For the next video, bye bye, take care.